good at English. I'm so much confident, but I don't know what's happening with me when I just trying to speak in front of the people. I just become nervous. I just become so much fumbling at English speaking. So good morning everyone, and you're the most welcome these sessions. Awesome Blossom English Learner. So what do you think? Like what kind of content I also can upload? Okay, today I just try that I will not cut the video even single time, because I also would give the real examples to you all. It is not easy to speak in front of the people, public, in front of the public, or in front of one or two persons. It is really very important things. Why it's happening with everyone? Why you are thinking that you are fumbling? So I want to aware to you that why are you fumbling. So first of all, you will have to know reason why it's happening with you. Okay, not only and only with you, with everyone. Most of all persons can speak, but they are fumbling. Okay, and just because of that, they are losing the confidence. What do you think? That you are really very good at that you are really very good at your mother tongue? No, not at all. Sometimes you also be fumbling when you are not habitual to face the peoples in this situation, that you just prefer to keep quiet yourself and just try to mum your mouth, right? It is happened with you, right or wrong? If it is happened, just try to tell me by the comment box. If you are thinking that it's not happened with you, so this is also answer. You also can tell me, and behalf of that I will tell you why it's not happened with you and why it's happened with anyone. Okay, so let's get started about that, how to overcome about this anxiety. So first of all, I want to aware about that things, how to overcome, and what is the reason behind that, why we also become fumble in front side of the peoples in English. Instead, you are really very good at English, you are really very good at your mother tongue, but still with mother tongue you are fumbling, just because of you are not habitual to speak with anyone. So first of all, you will have to analyze yourself, that you are fumbling with your native language or with your only and only English language. If you are fumbling with the native language, it's mean that you will have to work on your these things. You will have to work on the, like, because of it's when you are habitual and you didn't grab the environment to speak. It's mean you didn't see outer world, so you will have to talk with the peoples. No matter what kind of language you are speaking, you are trying to speak with them, and just try to speak more and more peoples. Okay, by that things you also can come over that things. Okay, and if you are really comfortable with your native language and you are not fumbling with your native language, it's mean you are really good, but you are fumbling when you just trying to speak in English in front side of the people, and you became fumbling. Okay, you became fumbling, but you don't want to do that. But how is that? Because of, and instead you are really very good at English, but you become fumble, just because of, first thing is that you just trying to judge yourself. You don't want to judge yourself, but it is automatically innerly it is automatically you just started to judge yourself, and that's why of judging of the point you just became fumble. You just think that you are speaking really, you do not think that you are speaking very well. You think that you are speaking, but a lot of people also here, and those are really good than you. This is the biggest mistake which you think in your mind, and because of that things you become fumble and you be hesitate, and that's why you lose the confidence while they speak in English. So what will you have to do? you will have to come you will have to come with comfortable zone while they speak in English. Okay, just try to think that, don't be neglect yourself, don't be think that you are not good at English speaking than others. Just try to think that you are a learner and you're trying to speak in English. And why is it so? Why do you want to improve the English communication? Because you want to learn. And if you do not practice with anyone how to overcome this problem, and definitely if you will work on that things, you can never in your life be fumble with anyone. So just try to be calm, just try to think about you that you are a just child. Okay, you are a just child means like according to the age, according to, if you are judging yourself according to the age, of course I can accept that you are really very mature. Maybe I don't know about your age, your age can be 10, can be 15, can be 20, can be 30, can be 50, no matter, because age is not decide that you have to learn or not. Your passion is decide that you will have to learn or not. So thing is that right now you are really very passionate to learn this language. So for that things you will have to do one thing, that first of all just try to avoid judge yourself. Just don't think and don't give judgmental in front of the people. And third thing is just remove these things that you are not good at English, or a lot of people also good than you. Okay, and now fourth thing is really important, and so that you also can grab the confidence, you also can think that you are actually very comfortable while speaking in English. How is it? It is possible? Yes, of course, it is so possible. It is really important. If you will realize that things, you gonna speak in English very confidently. Okay, so how is it so? So it is so important that you just think, just try to give the value yourself, just try to give the importance to yourself, just try to think that you are trying to learn speak in English. It means you are doing great. So just try to appreciate yourself, just try to cheers yourself, just try to celebrate the party, because of you are learning new skills, you are trying to do something in your life. Okay, so just try to give the value yourself. Just when you think that you are really very special and you are really doing great, and you are thinking focus on the skills, so definitely it's mean you are actually perfect. So by that things you also can come over these things. And yeah, what can I say, that once again, yeah, okay. And actually I want to say one more thing, that yeah, I just told you about, you just think about a child. Okay, I just share with you a little story about the child. Just think about the child is a 2 years old, 3 years old, right? 2 years old, or 3 years old, or 4 years old, when the child is learn to speak native language, because they observe environment, they having environment, and that's why they trying to speak words. They start their journey to speak with the breaking of words. Okay, so just try to think, when the children also speaking some words, and that words is not that not appropriate, and that word is also trying, but child is also speaking, and they do not think, they do not judge themselves, they speak suddenly. Sometimes, did you notice, some child when they also trying to speak first time, almari, they says they always speak amlari. When they also trying to speak first time kameez, they always say kameez and tamiz and kajim, like that. Have you noticed something? Some words they pronounce wrong, but everyone can understand, everyone can understand that person, that child also demand, that child is also demanding or talking about that, what is that things, that is kamish or kajim, that is kamish, that is amlari or almari, that is actually almari. But they are not shying, they are not scary, they are not thinking that we are speaking wrong. Why? Because they don't know what is the actually correct pronunciation, what is the correct word, how to pronounce, like what kind of pronunciations having this word. But they speak suddenly, without any fear, without any judgmental, without any judging the comment on yourself. And that's why they also started. And did you notice something? Second, that when they also speak almari is in amlari. So what happened? Ma also speaks so much. Ma also laugh on that child. Ma, how is it possible? Ma also can laugh? Of course, because she loves more and more. She loves more and more to the child, and she so much become happy just because of she so much happy. Oh my God! Oh my God! My child is now starting to learn to speak, how to speak, and that's why she became happy, and she's so much happy just because of she thought, oh my God, my child also can speak. So same here with you, that if child is trying to speak language, so always appreciate to that child, because child is doing something new, child is speaking first time. Same here, you also can think about you, that you also just a child. If you judge yourself according to the age, that's right, you are not a child. But if you judge to yourself according to the learning process, so just try to think that you are actually a real child. So in this situation, how to manage yourself when you are trying to speak any words, any sentences, and you are speaking anyway, like you are speaking good, you are speaking wrong, anyway, just trying to speak. And in these situations, it happen with you opposite. People can laugh on you same as a child. In these situations, you do not take wrong way. Just think that you are actually also a child, as that child is having age only 2 years, but you are having age maybe 20 or 30. But just try to think that you are a child, because that child also learning they are learning his or her language, and that's why ma also can laugh. And you just think, now it's your turn, because you are trying to learn new language. So in these situations, people actually so much laugh on you, because of that language new for them, not for you. That language new for them, not for you. You are learning, they didn't know how to speak in English, but they laugh on you because of you are speaking something, but they are not grabbing. First thing is, that's why they can laugh on you. Second, when they learn and just think, oh my God, everybody are laughing on me, it is really good. It's mean they are really happy to see me, because I'm trying to do something new, I'm trying to learn something new. Okay, because you know what is the importance of English language, but they do not know what is the importance of English language. If they know very well, definitely they cannot laugh on you, they actually will admire you. This is the importance of English language. So thing is that if someone will kick you, if someone is pulling your legs, so just try to take a thing that actually they do not know how to speak in English, and this language is new completely for them, okay, but not for you. So now I hope you got that what I'm saying to you. Just try to manage yourself, just try to think that you are a child at the learning process, and just try to improve yourself, and just try to think to speak gradually. Okay, and yeah, this is a mantra. And one more important thing is I want to share that how to face the public, how to face the people as well, and how to overcome the fumbling of the situations. Just I always shoot the video, and I always tell you about that things. Just try to record your videos, just try to record your videos till 5 minutes. Just speak continuously 2 minutes, just speak. This is the actually homework for you. Just try to speak in front of the camera 1 minute, only 1 minute. Just try to speak, and after the 1 minute just try to see yourself, and just try to capture your lacking point, that you are actually speaking really very good, but you are not you are not good at personality development. So just try to work on that. Your body postures, your eye contact, your hands moving is too much or low, or you're speaking too much or really good. Just try to think there is no camera, there is an audience. Just try to imaginations that I'm talking. No, I'm not talking to the camera, I'm just talking to the audience. When you will think that camera is not camera, camera is the audience. In these situations, that in a beginning of time you can be hesitate, but after that when you will be familiar with the camera, definitely your camera loves you as an audience. So if you are getting my message, so definitely you will have to subscribe. Don't delay that. Hit the bell icon, and just try to like, and just to tell me by the comment box you are getting this message or not, and you are actually thinking or not. Whatever I'm just explaining, I'm not explaining with the help of Google. No, I'm explaining by my practical experiences.